Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revving our engines and taking a heart-pounding journey behind the wheel of the untamed beast, the 2024 Lamborghini URUS S. This isn't your average SUV, it's a raging bull, a sculpted masterpiece of Italian engineering, ready to devour the road and leave you breathless. So, buckle up, hold on tight, and let's unleash the URUS S. Exterior. The URUS S's presence is undeniable. Imagine a Lamborghini Aventador that morphed into an SUV, retaining its razor-sharp lines, aggressive stance, and head-turning charisma. The matte black front grille, sculpted air intakes, and carbon fiber hood hint at the power lurking beneath. New wheel arch designs and 23-inch optional wheels exude confidence, while the redesigned rear bumper and diffuser scream performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Interior. Step inside, and the URUS S pampers you with a luxurious embrace. Premium leather upholstery, customizable color palettes, and exquisite finishes create an atmosphere of opulence. The hexagonal design language seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology with Italian craftsmanship. Imagine yourself gripping the hexagonal steering wheel, your fingers brushing against the Anima driving mode selector, ready to unleash the URUS's true potential. But the URUS S is more than just looks. Pop the hood, and witness the masterpiece. A twin-turbocharged 4.0 liters V8 engine throbbing with 657 raging horses. It's a symphony of power, a chorus of pistons and turbos ready to launch you from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 3.6 seconds. The growl of the exhaust is intoxicating, a visceral reminder of the untamed spirit within. This isn't just transportation, it's an adrenaline-fueled experience. The URUS S isn't a one-size-fits-all machine. With the Anima selector, you can choose from Strada, Sport, Casa, and Sabia modes, each tailoring the suspension, steering, and power delivery to your driving desires. Cruise effortlessly on the highway in Strada, then unleash the beast in Sport or Casa for track-worthy performance. Sabia mode tackles off-road terrain with confidence, proving the URUS S is more than just a pavement pounder. Despite its ferocious nature, the URUS S surprisingly offers everyday practicality. The spacious cabin comfortably seats 5, and the cargo hold swallows your luggage with ease. Advanced technology keeps you connected and entertained, while safety features ensure peace of mind. It's a Lamborghini you can actually live with, a raging bull tamed for daily commutes but always ready to break free. The 2024 Lamborghini URUS S is more than just a car, it's a statement, an experience, a symbol of audacious luxury and untamed performance. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those who crave the extraordinary, who push boundaries and chase horizons. If you seek a machine that embodies passion, power, and Italian pedigree, the URUS S awaits. So, are you ready to unleash the bull within? Thanks for joining us on this thrilling ride with the 2024 Lamborghini URUS S. If you're hungry for more, leave a comment below and let us know what other automotive beasts you'd like us to explore. Until next time, keep the RPMs high and the roads wild. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.